Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
South Portage Lake is nestled in the heart of the Haliburton Highlands, Ontario. This beautiful lake is part of Ontario's Cottage Country, a popular destination for those looking to enjoy the natural beauty and tranquility of the great outdoors. South Portage Lake is known for its clear, sparkling waters, surrounded by lush forests and rolling hills. It's a perfect spot for swimming, boating, or simply enjoying the peaceful surroundings. Whether you're out on the water in a kayak or relaxing on the shore, the calm atmosphere here is just what you need to unwind. The Haliburton Highlands is a region rich in natural beauty, with plenty of hiking trails, scenic drives, and wildlife to discover. South Portage Lake is a great place for fishing too, with a variety of fish species in its waters. This area is ideal for a quiet retreat, where you can connect with nature and take a break from the everyday hustle. The serene environment of South Portage Lake offers a perfect escape, making it a favorite spot for cottagers and visitors alike. Thank you for joining us on this visit to South Portage Lake in the Haliburton Highlands. We hope you enjoy the stunning views and peaceful vibes of this special place.